Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shirley, also known as Backttalk, and I usually do anything Disney, but today we're going into the wizarding world of Harry Potter. I got the Harry Potter Wizarding World crate. I bought this back during Black Friday. They were having, I believe it was 30% off a crate or 40% off a crate. So I only got this for $30, which is not bad. I'm gonna make sure it was $30. Like I said, I bought this back in November. It's been a while. So I'll put the price somewhere. And I need to remember to cancel it because I only want to try it once. Unless it's really good, then maybe I will. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So this is what it looks like. It has a sticker. And the sticker just says Magical Transportation. So the Department of Magical Transportation, so that's what the items are going to be inside. And then on the top it says Wizarding World, and then it says hashtag Wizarding World crate, and it has the LootCrate logo on this side and on this side too. And I don't know what else there is in here. Okay, let's go ahead and open it. If you don't know this about me, I suck at opening things. It's a really bad trait of mine, so I pre-opened it. Look at the box. If you can't tell, I'm opening it backwards so I don't see anything that's inside the box. Alright, I'll look at the box after. I'm going to start with whatever's on the top, which feels like a shirt? A scarf. Okay. I think I knew this was going to be in there. I think I saw a spoiler alert of this somewhere. So you could put what house you are. I am clearly in Slytherin. Da-da-da. I'm wearing my SOS from the app. But Slytherins. And then I'm also wearing my Slytherin thing. So this is really cute. I don't have a Hogwarts scarf. I just haven't purchased one when I'm at the parks because it's always hot everywhere I go. But this is, oh, it has a weird smell. It has such a weird smell. I'm gonna have to wash it. But very cute. Does it work with the outfit right now? Alright. Warm. Alright. So not bad. It just has, you know, the H for Harry Potter. And it has the broomsticks for the Quidditch. And it's like, you know, like a team scarf for when they go watch Quidditch. Very cute. I'll probably wear it to the Disney. Oh, to the Universal Hollywood Park. I probably would not wear this to Florida because it's always hot there. But, alright, let's keep going. I kind of wanted a shirt. Alright, let's go with this because I think you know what this is. And I might as well just get to it. Does this come with it? Oh, it comes with it. No, it doesn't. Close your eyes. Alright. So this is the thing I also knew it came with. Because these two things... Okay, it's kind of smelly. I'll take it off. These two things were advertised every time like it came up. You know how like Google knows everything you're doing. So every time they advertise LootCrate to me, this would come up in the scarf. So this is the train that Harry Potter gets in before he meets Sirius Black. This is the night bus. I'm hoping it has a shrunken head somewhere on the windows because that would be a super cool detail, but no. So that's where it is. Night bus. Sorry about the ring light if it's like boom in your face. There's the wheels. What's his name? Ernie? Give Ernie. All destinations, nothing underwater. That's cool. I love the bus at Universal's Florida. I'll put a picture of me by the bus. I think it's so cool and I love that they did it. So there it is. I think it's supposed to be a lunchbox or, you know, one of those. It's not going to be a lunchbox. It's probably just going to hold, I don't know, something in there for me, like storage-wise, and it's just going to be decoration. It's really, really cute. I think this is a LootCrate thing that they do, like, metal lunchboxes in their crates because in my Back to the Future one, I also got a lunchbox. So it's actually really, really cute. I just wish it had a little shrunken head somewhere. I think that would have made it a dash more special. All right, let's keep going. See that round thing. What is this? A case? It looks like a case. Alright, let's open it. My cat's judging me from back there. She's my animal. So it just says Hogwarts Railway. I think it's just supposed to be like from the train, probably. I think it's just a case. Yeah, it's just a case. So it has like this little pouch. I'm assuming maybe for like cords. Like this would be perfect for cords. That's probably what I'll use it for, like charging and anything like that for the airport or when I'm traveling. That's gonna be a great use for this. I think I could even fit my earpods in here. So maybe the earpods could go in this pocket and then the cords here for all of my chargers. So not bad. I will say the quality of the printing is not great. It's okay. I don't know if they were trying to go for a vintage look or it just didn't print too well, but the quality could be better. And this, I know what they're doing. It makes it look cute. It looks like you got it from the magical transportation of Harry Potter, but I don't know. I just feel like it makes it look more nichey. You know what it reminds me of, actually? And I'm not trying to hate, but it reminds me of like those fairs where you go and there's like free swag, free items like on the tables, and you grab the free items. That's what it reminds me of. Like just highlighters. You know what I'm talking about. Alright, let's do this one next. Ooh, this feels nice. Okay, I can get behind this one. So it's a luggage tag. It's like a pleather material. It's quite heavy, actually. Is this just decoration? Or did I just break it? Oh, I just broke it. Okay, so this is obviously where you put like all of your information, and then it says Muggle worthy on the front, and then this is what makes it heavy, and this is the part I broke. But to be fair, it was already half lifted and I just lifted it all the way. We're not gonna look at that. I'm gonna reglue it. Again, the quality is so. It is nice and heavy, like I said. Like this has a nice weight to it, but I don't know. The color is a little off, and the fact that it came a little waved is a little sad. So not too excited about these guys as of right now. This isn't bad, but I probably would not use it over my Grinch one that I got or my Disney ones that I have. So it'll probably just be a giveaway. There's only a couple things left. All right, next thing is a pin. What does it look like? Oh, it's sealed. Okay, it's a mystery. I hate mystery pins. Is that just me? I think it's just me. I just don't like being disappointed, and I know the whole part of LootCrate is a mystery, but yeah, I don't know why I keep going back. Ta-da! Okay. So, magical places, platform 9 3/4. Excuse me, sir. I'm sorry. I will never do that again. But there's the pin. It has Hedwig, which is such a great character. I don't want to call him a baller, but he's such a good character. In the books, he does so much for Harry. Why do I keep saying he? Hedwig has so much sass. So great. So this is actually pretty cute. I'm not mad at this. I think it's like a waste of space, but it's not bad. Happy with this. I'm going to put it on the happy pile. And then there was one more thing I felt in there, and I think that's it. An umbrella? Oh, it is an umbrella. Yay, because it rained so much in Arizona. Alright, here's the umbrella. It says LootCrate Hagrid motorbike umbrella. Okay, I see what they're trying to do with this. I do not want to open it fully. JZ Désolé. I believe that if you open it fully, it's bad luck inside. But I will look at it. It looks like it's just pink, right? Like it's just pink on the outside, just like Hagrid's. And then on the inside, I don't know if there's a pattern, but there's like splash marks in there. I don't know if they're trying to go for like a magic look to it or what. Yeah, I don't know. I think it's a magic look to it. If I find like an open picture of it, I'll post it. If I don't, just, you know, Grimace is inside. But there it is. Again, the quality of it is so. It's not bad. You always need an umbrella when you go to Florida, which is weird because when the last time we went, which was October, it didn't rain a single bit. Maybe like one sprinkle here and here, and that's it. So not bad, and it looks like it's compact, right? But I don't know how long it's gonna last. It doesn't seem like the most heavy duty one or anything like that. Oh, I don't know what I'm doing. All right, let's just Alright, let's just put it aside. And I think that's it. I'm gonna look at the box now. Yep, that's it. Alright, so the box is actually really cool. I like the box. That's my favorite thing. I'm a cat. So there it is. It's just a Nimbus 2000. Please inquire within. It's here, and it just has like the blueprints of the Nimbus, which is super cool. Yeah, like I said, the box is actually pretty cool. My favorite part. And then there is this envelope in here, which usually tells you what's inside. So like the spoiler alert. So let's see. Oh, it shows you a picture. Okay. So it has Hagrid's motorbike umbrella. Go on a rainy day motorbike adventures with the item inspired by Hagrid. So actually inside is this pattern. And it has Hagrid writing through it, which is actually quite nice. That's not bad. It looks different in pictures. I don't know. I'm not mad at it. It's cute. It's very subtle. Number 2 is the house scarf. So, you know, it's just whatever house you're in. Slithering is the best. Night bus lunch tin. Stick out your wand and hail the baffled night bus. So the lunch tin. Then we have the headphone pouch. Go on a musical journey. Yep, so it's a pouch. We have the muggle-worthy luggage tag. Enjoy this luggage tag worthy of Newt's Commander's suitcase. And platform 9 3/4 pin. And then that's it. So there it is. Overall, the slithering me is saying it wasn't great. It was okay. I think for the discount that I got it, I think if I got it for $30, it wasn't bad. Because you're thinking the scarf alone, right, is probably a good, like, I would probably pay a good $8 to $10 for this. Obviously, at the park, it's more expensive. I just need to wash it because it has a weird funk. But I actually really do like this. So, not bad. So, we're thinking 8 to 10. Lunch tote, maybe 12 I would pay for it. Maybe 15 if I'm really like, let's just go shopping. I don't know why I said that. And then maybe the pen would be another like $8, $10. So with those 3 items alone, you're probably like getting your money back. And then the rest of it is extras, which feel like extras, right? Overall, not bad. I'm probably not going to do another Wizarding World crate from them. I already tried the Back to the Future one, and that one was okay. I think it was better than this one. And I really like the shirt from that one. I tried this one, Harry Potter. They do have a Pixar one. If you really want me to do a Pixar one, I'll do it. Let me know in the comments. But otherwise, it did not meet my expectations. Which are here. Now they're okay. But yeah, let me know what you think of this box. Let me know if you agree with me. Or maybe you're not a Slytherin and maybe you're like, no girl, it was great. What are you talking about? Or whatever it may be. Anyways, until next time, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell. I come out with videos twice a week and then shorts randomly whenever I'm like, oh, let's make a short. But yeah, until next time, adios.